guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Des, and together with my partner Abby and our beast Shadow, we live full time in our little tin shed on wheels, currently in Far North Queensland. I have a love for photography in the outdoors, and I thought I'd bring you guys along with me as I explore what this amazing state has to offer. Let's get into this week. Morning guys, gonna go explore into the rainforests just west of Cairns today, I reckon. We're gonna drop Abby off this morning and then go and see if we can make it down some of these dirt tracks, and there's a fig tree that's kind of, it's not as popular as the two main fig trees, the Curtin fig tree and the Cathedral fig tree. There's another one and it's on the Clohesy River. I'm not sure if that's exactly how you pronounce it, but it's the Clohesy fig tree. So we'll go, yeah, check that out, go see what's around there, just exploring today, me and Shadow, and see what we can find, eh? Dropped Abby off in Cairns about 8 AM and then made my way up the Kuranda Range Road, which is just like a really windy highway that goes all the way up, like pretty much from just outside of Cairns up into the tablelands, which is where we are now. Just crossed over the Clohesy River. Nice little river crossing there, not too bad, just a little fun one. And they reckon that this track to get to the fig tree is four-wheel drive only. Tell you what, it's so much nicer up here. It's been pretty hot the last few days down near in Cairns where we're staying. But up here in the tablelands, man, it is so much nicer. Absolute perfect temperature. It's like 24 degrees right now, not humid at all. Down in Cairns already it was 28 degrees. During the days it's been like kind of, yeah, 32, 33. Like in the caravan it's been getting like 37 degrees. Man, this place is absolutely beautiful so far. Loving it, man. Been a few little river crossings so far. I think there's a couple more to go. Shouldn't be too far away from this tree now. Now that's a stomper. And there's another big one just there. So I think there's three. So we'll go for this little walk and see if we can see the other one. Looks like almost as big as like the Cathedral one. I've seen, actually no, well, I saw the Curtin fig, but not the Cathedral, so have to go suss that out next. But oh man, looks absolutely amazing though. So these fig trees are actually pretty evil, hey? So they get dropped as a seed from like a bird or a bat, and then they actually grow around the original host tree and just consume it and take it over and grow up, and then the host dies, which is why they're left with this hollow center. So this is called the strangler fig. And I know the other fig trees do the same thing too. It's pretty wild, hey? Like the root system and just how they just consume another tree. And it's surprising that there's not actually like heaps more of them around. So that there is a red cedar tree, and people actually came to cut down all the red cedar and you know, turn it into furniture and stuff to send back to England. That's what they did before all the sugarcane. They actually came here for the red cedar first, and then the sugarcane came once, yeah, all the cedar, they chopped it all down, or now it's kind of protected, so yeah, and they turned to farming. Cool, here's that third one here. This one looks a bit different to the other ones. Still a massive stomper though. This one's a bit more open around the bottom there. Perfect spot for them to thrive though, hey, because there's a river right there. It's like, I don't know, 5 meters away. Just unlimited water, and like this rainforest here is just lush. And it's a bit of a different looking rainforest to what I've seen so far down, like, you know, not in the tablelands. This is like a bit more sparse, like you could walk through here easily. Yeah, so the main one here is like way bigger than the other two. This one's huge. It doesn't say what the diameter is of this, but looking at it, it must be like 20, 30 meters easy. It's huge, man. It's cool how they all look different. So this is the one that's like right next to the car park. So much smaller than the other ones. Cool though. And it doesn't go up as far. I imagine that that's like maybe the host tree is still alive in this one, and that's why it's not all hollowed out. Maybe that's why, yeah, that goes only to there. Like you can see the root systems kind of stop. The other ones, they go way higher up. Well, won't be going any further up this track. How's that? Just a small tree falling down. I think it's a few trees, hey? Man, if I had like a chainsaw or even a winch, I'd just spend some time moving it. But I don't have either of those. Alrighty, let's turn around and I'll head to Davies Creek, further up into the tablelands. That was pretty funny. I was just at the sign at the start of the track here, and this bloke just comes walking down the road. He straight up just looked like he'd been stuck in Bibandji for the last 30 years. No shirt, wearing jeans, just like a small backpack. And he's like, "Yeah, how you going?" And then just kept cruising off. Made it into Din State Forest. Just been cruising down a dirt track and then saw there's a rock art site, so just cruised down the track to get to the car park, and that's where I'm walking to now. Go and suss out this Aboriginal rock art. It's crazy how different this place is. You know, it's probably 15 minutes from where I was at the Clohesy River Fig Tree, and like, look at it, man. It's like being back in the outback again. It's crazy. So much drier. Like, the forest looks completely different. Amazing how quickly it can change. Like, it was full on rainforest back where I was before, and it was like 19, 20 degrees, whereas now it's like kind of 26. So yeah, changed out of the black shirt. Bit warm for wearing black. The smells around here too, man. Ah, heaps different. It's almost like a kind of soy sauce smell. Apparently this was used by the Bibandji people between the wet season and the dry season. They would hunt in here. Got the cocky apple tree, mate. You can't really see the rock art. They reckon that it's been gone over quite a few times and now it's just kind of blurry. You can see like shapes and stuff, but yeah, you can't see anything specific. They also reckon that, yeah, the Bibandji people were actually forcibly removed from here in 1916, which sounds about right. You know, the Indigenous people were forcibly removed from almost everywhere. But they reckon that the earliest documentation of discovering this site by the European settlers was from guys cruising through here with their cattle in yeah, the 1940s. So that's the first site, which just the actual boulder, the rock formation itself is cool. You can see why it would have been a special place. It's cool with the kind of ferns there growing out of it. So now there's meant to be a second site as well, further up here. Go walk up here and see what that looks like. So this one you actually can see some of the pictures properly. She's gotten pretty windy now, hey? Up the top there, she was blowing. And it's yeah, a bit hazy all around, as you could see from the drone footage. It's cool, like how these trees with the changing leaves, like almost like the ones that you would see when it's autumn. Haven't seen anything like that up this way, actually. And now there's like a few of them around. Crazy. Haven't even seen anything that's like dying because it's all just lush, just pumping with life. So it seems crazy to be, you know, where I am now is only like an hour away from Cairns. And like, look at it, man, it's just dry as and way different. All right, I reckon now I'm gonna probably go for a swim, hey, find some, because there's heaps of creeks and stuff around. Go for a dip. And then we'll cruise up further and see if we can go up and see what's around Davies Creek and see if we can go to Davies Creek Falls. What do you reckon? Not a bad little lunch spot, eh? So today's menu, absolute gourmet, mate. I'm doing meagering. Meagering wraps. Boom. Absolutely peaking, dude. I always have a lighter in the car in the glove box, but it's been a while since I've actually needed it, and yeah, it's gone. I can't light my jet ball, like the clicker doesn't work anymore. So no meagering for me. I don't have a knife or anything. I've got just this, my little hiking knife that I use. It's like a little Gerber that's got like a few different things, but this blade is actually super sharp, so that's good. I'm going to try and cut up some tomato, some cheese, onion. I've got like, yeah, some dip and chips still. I might just chuck all that in a wrap, and yeah, that'll have to be lunch today. It seems crazy to me that I don't have a lighter. We're living 5-star out here now. Good boy. Man, we're actually pretty high up. It's got a nice view kind of that way. I can hear the waterfall. So yeah, let's walk down here and see what she looks like, eh? So you can swim here too, but I'm just coming to the lookout just to see what it's like, and if I could come back and get some photos here, like on say sunset or sunrise or something. All down there. That'd be neat going down there. So the waterfall's like, yeah, straight down there. So many like pools and stuff you could swim in. I wasn't going to do the circuit track, but I think I am now. And it's only like 800 metres, so I'll just smash it out. Alrighty, back in the car, cruising down to the Barron River, which I'm going to go to the section of it where the town of Koa is. So what we just went and saw today, the Clohesy River with the Clohesy Fig Tree, and Davies Creek Falls that flows into Davies Creek. So Davies Creek and the Clohesy River, like Davies Creek flows down into the Clohesy River, and then the Clohesy River flows into the Barron River, and the Barron River is massive, and that flows down through Cairns. So yeah, figured that'd be a nice little tie off for the end of the video. Go have a look at that and give you a little bit of an idea of how much water is around here. Well, I just crossed over this. This is like over the Clohesy River. How's that? Train bridge up there. I was hoping from here I was going to be able to see the Barron River. I think it's a bit further down. So I'll throw the drone up and we should be able to cruise over and have a look at it with the drone. you how big it is from just driving. Just the bridge is huge. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you stuck around to the end, please consider subscribing and join me on my next adventure up here in Far North Queensland. Cheers guys, see you in the next one.